Modal verbs are special helper verbs that show possibility, ability, advice, and necessity. The modal verb should is used to give advice or make suggestions. It helps express what is the right or best thing to do. We use should to give advice and make recommendations. For example, you should study more means it is good advice to study to improve. You should try this restaurant means it is a good recommendation to eat there. Here are some examples. You should study more is advice for improvement. You should try this restaurant is a positive recommendation. These sentences show how to use should in real life. Sometimes we use similar words like ought to and had better. Ought to is a bit more formal and means the same as should. Had better is stronger and means a warning that something bad may happen if you do not follow advice. Should gives general advice. Ought to is more formal advice. Had better is strong and used for warnings. For example, you should be careful is good advice, you ought to be careful sounds more formal, and you had better be careful is a warning. To say advice in the negative, we use shouldn't, oughtn't, and had better not. You shouldn't be late is a general negative advice. You had better not be late is a strong warning. These show how to tell someone not to do something. More examples include, you should eat healthy food to be strong. She should apologize if she is late because it is polite. We should save money for the future. Students should respect their teachers because it is important. Now practice with these sentences. Fill in the blank, you blank study more. The answer is should. Another, we blank save money. The answer is should. Using should helps give good advice and suggestions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.